On September 9, 2025, global investment giants Permira and Blackstone made headlines by pouring a staggering $525 million into Dubai's Property Finder, one of the region's leading real estate platforms. The announcement sent ripples through both the financial and property sectors, drawing attention from investors and analysts worldwide. This isn't just another investment. It's a powerful endorsement of Dubai's rapidly evolving property market and its ambitious, tech-driven future. The move highlights how Dubai is positioning itself as a global hub for innovation in real estate, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. For Permira, this marks their very first venture into the Middle East, a bold step that signals their serious intentions to expand in the region. It's a clear message. International investors are now looking beyond traditional markets, seeking new opportunities in emerging economies. Blackstone, already a heavyweight in global real estate, is deepening its stake in one of the world's most dynamic and fast-growing markets. Their involvement brings not just capital, but also expertise and global networks to the table. The deal, which involves acquiring a significant minority stake, underscores the high expectations both firms have for Property Finder's future growth and innovation. It's a bet on the company's ability to lead the digital transformation of real estate in the region. This substantial capital injection is designed to cement Property Finder's dominance in the regional real estate classified space, enabling them to invest further in technology, talent, and customer experience. The timing of this investment is particularly intriguing, coming at a moment when Dubai's real estate market is experiencing robust growth, yet some experts warn of a potential cooling ahead. It's a calculated risk, but one that could pay off handsomely if the market continues to expand. Permira and Blackstone's move signals strong confidence in the long-term trends shaping digital property transactions, smart home integration, and data-driven real estate services. Their investment is a strategic play on the future of real estate, not just a reaction to recent market surges. It's about anticipating where the industry is headed and positioning themselves at the forefront of that transformation. Ultimately, it's about identifying a great company in a promising industry and backing it for the long haul. Both Permira and Blackstone are betting that Property Finder will continue to innovate and lead. This landmark deal is more than just a financial transaction. It's a signal of significant shifts underway in the industry, and a vote of confidence in Dubai's vision for the future. The smart money sees immense potential in the Middle East's digital real estate ecosystem, and with this investment, the stage is set for a new era of growth, innovation, and global attention. To truly grasp the impact of this investment, it's important to understand the remarkable journey of Property Finder, a company that has become synonymous with digital innovation in Dubai's real estate sector. Founded nearly 2 decades ago, Property Finder started as a modest classifieds website, operating out of a small office with a handful of passionate entrepreneurs. Over the years, it has transformed into a digital powerhouse, adapting to the rapid changes in technology and consumer behavior. Today, it stands as the go-to platform for millions of users across the Middle East and North Africa, connecting people to their dream homes and investment opportunities with just a few clicks. Property Finder excels by deeply understanding the unique needs of local markets, offering tailored solutions for buyers, sellers, and renters alike. Its platform features comprehensive property listings, advanced search tools, and up-to-date market data, empowering users to make informed decisions. By prioritizing user experience and constantly innovating, Property Finder has managed to outpace rivals like Dubizzle and Bayut, setting new standards for the industry. The platform has become essential for real estate agents and developers, especially in the wake of the pandemic, when digital solutions became more critical than ever. Property Finder capitalized on the global shift toward online property searches, making it easier for families and investors to explore options from the comfort of their homes. Its central role in the real estate ecosystem has naturally attracted the attention of major investors, both regionally and internationally. Even before this latest deal, Property Finder had already drawn significant investment from global heavyweights like General Atlantic and Francisco Partners, fueling its rapid expansion. This impressive history demonstrates Property Finder's knack for attracting smart capital and leveraging it to drive innovation and growth. Each round of investment has enabled the company to scale its operations, expand its team, and enhance its technology. The new investment from Permira and Blackstone is a logical next step in Property Finder's evolution, positioning it for even greater influence in the PropTech sector. With this momentum, Property Finder is poised to become a true global powerhouse in the PropTech space, shaping the future of real estate not just in Dubai, but across the world. When Permira and Blackstone invest together, it's worth noting their contributions. Permira, a European private equity giant, enters the Middle East with this deal. Their focus on technology and PropTech signals growth potential in the region. Permira's expertise in scaling companies offers Property Finder invaluable guidance. Blackstone, synonymous with global real estate, bets on tech facilitating transactions. Their investment highlights the value of platforms connecting the market. Blackstone's deep real estate knowledge aids Property Finder's product refinement. The synergy of Permira's tech expertise and Blackstone's real estate prowess is powerful. This partnership could supercharge Property Finder's growth trajectory. It's a masterclass in global business strategy from industry leaders. In the world of major investments, the decision of who is selling can be just as pivotal as who is buying. Every transaction tells a story, and the players involved shape the future of the company in profound ways. When a significant investor decides to partially exit, it's not just a financial move. It's a signal to the market and to other stakeholders about the company's trajectory and potential. General Atlantic, one of Property Finder's earliest and most influential backers, has chosen to partially exit its position in the company. This move comes after years of supporting the company's growth and innovation in the real estate technology sector. Their early investment was instrumental in helping Property Finder scale rapidly, expand its operations, and solidify a leading position in a highly competitive market. The company's evolution from a promising startup to a market leader owes much to this foundational support. By partially exiting now, General Atlantic is able to realize significant returns on its investment, effectively cashing in on the value created over the years. This is a classic example of a well-timed exit strategy, balancing profit-taking with continued involvement. Importantly, they remain a significant minority shareholder, which signals their ongoing confidence in Property Finder's future prospects and growth potential. Their continued presence reassures both the market and the company's leadership. This strategic move also brings together a powerful trio of investors: General Atlantic, Permira, and Blackstone, each bringing unique expertise and resources to the table. For Property Finder's management, this means access to long-term support, fresh perspectives, and a broader network of industry connections. The company is now better positioned to pursue ambitious goals and innovative projects. The strategic alignment of these shareholders sets the stage for Property Finder's next ambitious chapter, with a renewed focus on growth, technology, and market expansion. General Atlantic's decision to stay involved is a strong vote of confidence in the company's leadership and vision for the future. It's a clear indication that, despite the partial exit, Property Finder's best days may still be ahead, with new opportunities on the horizon. The new partnership with Permira and Blackstone is expected to unlock further upside, driving innovation and value creation for all stakeholders. With this strategic alignment of shareholders, Property Finder is poised to embark on its next phase of growth, ready to seize new opportunities and continue its journey as a leader in the real estate technology space. Property Finder's ambitions stretch beyond Dubai's skyline. The $525 million investment funds a campaign for regional dominance. The goal is to lead online property classifieds across the Middle East and North Africa. The strategy involves ramping up marketing and enhancing product features. In smaller markets, acquisitions could quickly gain market share. Permira and Blackstone bring global perspective and invaluable networks. Their experience in scaling businesses aids navigating MENA's complexities. The vision is a unified platform serving the region's real estate needs. A single technology backbone creates efficiencies and competitive advantage. The investment fuels building a regional empire. They back a platform with potential to become the essential real estate portal. This isn't just about defending home turf. It's about regional dominance. Among MENA's growth markets, Saudi Arabia stands out. The kingdom's Vision 2030 plan drives a real estate boom. Property Finder targets Saudi Arabia for growth, given its young, tech-savvy population. The government's homeownership goals create millions of potential buyers. Property Finder's platform meets this demand with ease. Fresh Capital establishes a dominant brand presence in the kingdom. Building local relationships is critical for success. The new investment and backers' expertise are vital. The strategic importance of Saudi Arabia cannot be overstated. A strong position there could surpass its UAE home base. The backing of global investors lends credibility and opens doors. This push into Saudi Arabia is a lucrative part of Property Finder's growth story. Turkey is another major target for expansion. It's an attractive market with a large young population and vibrant real estate sector. However, Turkey presents economic volatility challenges. Property Finder's presence in Turkey offers a valuable head start. The new funding strengthens its position in a complex market. The strategy requires resilience and value for users and agents. Permira and Blackstone's experience in emerging markets is advantageous. Their long-term investment horizon focuses on sustainable growth. Success in Turkey would showcase Property Finder's operational skill. It's a testament to strategic maturity in navigating complex markets. The Turkish conundrum requires a flexible business strategy. The investment in Property Finder coincides with Dubai's real estate boom. Post-pandemic, the city saw historic property price surges. This boom was a massive tailwind for Property Finder. However, experts predict a potential market correction. Permira and Blackstone invest amid this complex environment. Their strategy isn't a short-term bet on property prices. They focus on the structural shift to digital platforms. Even if the market cools, Property Finder's role remains essential. The investment is a long-term bet on digital transformation. It's about thriving in a changing market landscape. The deal highlights confidence in Property Finder's market leadership. It's a strategic play on the future of real estate. This $525 million deal is a watershed moment for the region. It validates the Middle East as a mature tech investment hub. The deal encourages global investors to explore MENA opportunities. For real estate, it accelerates digital transformation. Property Finder will likely invest in AI, data analytics, and VR. Competitors must innovate, benefiting consumers and professionals. The bar for property portals is raised significantly. The deal highlights PropTech's growing importance. Blackstone's involvement symbolizes the shift to tech-driven real estate. The partnership reshapes the regional landscape. It attracts global attention and capital to the Middle East's tech scene. This isn't just about one company, it's about the region's economic future.